Okay, let's kick off this explainer. If you're like most of us, you literally only think about your washing machine when it breaks down and floods the floor, right? Well, today, we're going to totally shift that perspective. We are diving into a comprehensive 2026 technical buying guide that maps out some massive, frankly, mind-blowing leaps forward in laundry technology. So here's a question to chew on. Is your washing machine actually a robot? You might still just see it as this simple spinning bucket, but the modern washer has completely transcended those origins. It's wild. We are way past the basic mechanical agitators of the past. The appliance sitting in your laundry room right now, or the one you're about to buy, is essentially a highly sophisticated computational robot that is actively making hundreds of decisions every single second. The 2026 reality is all about hyper-efficiency, closed-loop water management, and what engineers are calling computational fabric care. It sounds like sci-fi, but it's real. When you're buying one of these AI-driven appliances today, you've really got to look at the total cost of ownership. That cheaper upfront price tag, yeah, it often hides a super short lifespan and crazy high water and energy bills later on. It's all about electromechanical longevity now.
All right, here's our itinerary for today's explainer. We're making 4 main stops. 1. The new laundry reality. 2. Under the hood. 3. Global brand philosophies. And finally, 4. Expert buying secrets. Let's get right to it.
Section 1. The new laundry reality, moving past the mechanical agitator. Let's lay down our strategic buying framework, and it all starts with a crucial concept known as kinematic matching.
This perfectly illustrates the very first fundamental choice you've got to make: the fluid dynamics of a front loader versus the mechanical action of a top loader. Front loaders work on a horizontal axis, so they rely on gravity and tumbling. That means way less water, far less friction, and honestly, vastly superior fabric care. On the flip side, top loaders use a vertical axis, water suspension, and mechanical agitation. Sure, they gulp down a lot more water, but they do give you faster cycle times and that awesome convenience of just tossing in a drop sock mid-cycle. Understanding this difference is the absolute bedrock of your purchase.
Section 2. Under the hood, deconstructing 2026 laundry tech. Let's pull back the curtain, crack open the cabinet, and actually look at the advanced engineering driving this whole paradigm shift.
So the huge takeaway here? Those old universal drive belts are out. Advanced tech, like brushless DC direct drives, ventless heat pumps, and closed-loop microplastic filters are the new standard. To meet strict global rules, premium units now have filters that catch synthetic fibers all the way down to 50 microns. Oh, and sanitization isn't just about boiling hot water anymore. We're literally seeing ozone generators and UVC LED arrays giving you clinical-grade sterilization using cold water, which totally saves your delicate fabrics. This shift to brushless DC, or BLDC motors, is an absolute game-changer. By entirely ditching the physical belt and pulley system and mounting the motor directly onto the drum shaft, engineers have drastically cut down mechanical transmission loss, annoying noise, and that awful vibrating resonance. These motors are run by advanced inverter boards that adjust rotational torque in milliseconds. That means the drum can perform incredibly complex tumbling motions tailored exactly to the resistance of whatever fabric is currently inside. Okay, now it gets even crazier. AI goes way, way beyond just weighing your laundry. Older machines just check the motor's current draw during a dry tumble. But 2026 tech? We're talking turbidity sensors that optically analyze how cloudy your drain water is to figure out the exact soil level, adjusting the wash time on the fly. And check this out. Sophisticated algorithms actually analyze the acoustic signature and moisture absorption as your clothes get wet. It listens to the laundry to tell heavy denim apart from delicate silk and changes the wash mechanics automatically. No way, right? Thanks to all these precise kinematic tweaks and advanced motors, front-load machines are hitting massive spin speeds, up to 1,600 RPM. To put that into perspective, that's fast enough to drop the moisture retention of your clothes below 44%. Why does that matter? Because extracting that much water in the washer reduces your dryer's energy consumption by a staggering 30%. It is all connected. All right, on to Section 3, Global Brand Philosophies, or how geography dictates engineering. Let's look at how different parts of the world design their machines based on local utility costs, habits, and space limits. Where a machine is engineered tells you exactly how it's going to behave. This global matrix perfectly captures that geographical divide. In the Americas, they build heavy-duty haulers, machines from brands like Whirlpool and Maytag that prioritize massive volume and robust commercial-grade gear cases for big households. Over in Europe, where space is tight and utilities are pricey, brands like Miele and Bosch focus on hyper-efficient precision.
Meanwhile, Asia completely dominates the smart appliance game, pushing the absolute boundaries of compact AI integration and connected homes. Just to really wrap your head around European engineering for a second, Mealy tests its machines for a 20-year lifespan. That equates to a staggering 10,000 operating hours. 10,000. They even use a patented honeycomb drum to create this thin film of water that cushions your clothes, minimizing wear and tear. It's that intense obsession with electromechanical longevity that completely justifies their premium price tag.
And there is just so much incredible regional innovation happening across the board right now. Bosch is crushing it with acoustic dampening. Their anti-vibration side panels make them perfect if you live in a quiet apartment. Over in Asia, Samsung's bespoke AI line has a wild 5-sensor AI wash that actively monitors weight, water level, fabric, soil, and even detergent concentration. And Panasonic, they are leading the charge in hygiene with Blue AG Plus technology, mixing UV light and silver ions to literally eliminate bacteria in cold water.
Finally, Section 4. Expert buying secrets. Time to cut through the flashy marketing jargon and arm you with heavily guarded repairman secrets so you can actually protect your investment. If you want to buy like an expert, you have to evaluate the mechanical foundation. You're comparing standard consumer-grade parts against premium 2026 specs. You want to look for things like fully welded stainless steel inner and outer tubs instead of cheaper plastic ones. And you definitely want to seek out heavy-duty split-bearing crosses instead of sealed dual bearings, because the sealed ones are practically impossible to fix if they break. Now listen up, because this is a massive insider warning. The spider arm vulnerability. In a front loader, the drum is supported by this tri-star bracket called the spider arm, which is usually made of cast aluminum. If you constantly use liquid fabric softener and cold water washes, it causes terrible detergent buildup and galvanic corrosion. It literally rots the metal away. When that spider arm inevitably snaps, your drum loses its support, and I kid you not, it will sound like a literal jet engine taking off in your laundry room. So how do you prevent that catastrophic failure? Simple. Run a scorching hot 90 degrees Celsius maintenance wash once a month using powder detergent or citric acid. And honestly, just scratch liquid softeners off your shopping list entirely. Avoid them. Your machine and your clothes will absolutely thank you for it.
Here's another huge secret: the suspension. Think about it. When you're spinning a heavy load of soaking wet towels at 1400 RPM, the centrifugal forces are just immense. Standard machines use concrete counterweights to balance that out, but concrete can easily crack over time from all that vibrational stress. Premium brands, however, use solid cast iron weights paired with quad shock absorbers to handle those massive forces for decades without degrading.
Let's talk about those fancy auto-dosing systems like Twindos or iDose. They're revolutionary because they stop you from using too much detergent, which, fun fact, is actually the #1 cause of a smelly washing machine. But here's the catch. If you don't calibrate that fancy new system to your local water hardness, especially if you have soft water, it will severely overdose the machine, and that leads to a sudsy nightmare, super long rinse cycles, and damaging pump cavitation.
One more thing, water pressure. If your home has a low water pressure, specifically below 20 psi, you've got to be careful. These high-efficiency AI machines use incredibly sophisticated inlet valves. If the pressure's too low, the smart software might literally time out, assume there's a leak somewhere in your house, and just throw an error code before the drum even gets a chance to fill. Always check your plumbing's hydrostatic pressure.
So what's the ultimate takeaway from this whole explainer? It's straightforward. Prioritize structural integrity and motor architecture over purely cosmetic smart features. Total cost of ownership is the only metric that really matters. You've got to factor in water conservation, the massive drop in your dryer's energy use, how long your clothes will last, and of course, lower failure rates. Don't be fooled by a big, flashy touchscreen if the suspension underneath is cheap.
When you align the kinematic profile and engineering grade with your specific household needs, your utility costs, and your fabrics, you aren't just buying an appliance. You're securing a highly sophisticated textile management system that is genuinely engineered for the future. So, knowing what you know now about rotting spider arms, AI turbidity sensors, and cast iron suspensions, what will you choose?